news regarding the Covishield vaccine and its acceptability in the European Union. Now, the European Medicines Agency has said it will assess the manufacturing sites of Pune-based Serum Institute of India and its production processes according to the European Union law before approving the Covishield vaccine. Let's go across to Rishika for more on this entire story. And Rishika, this has been a huge controversy when it was learned that Covishield was not being accepted as a part of, the EU passports to move around for those who've got the vaccine. So what have you heard from the EMA now?
Well, the EMA has responded to a query that we'd put before them as to why the AstraZeneca vaccine that's being manufactured in the UK or EU sites is on the green list, but not the Covishield vaccine, which is essentially the same Oxford vaccine. But they say that there are tiny manufacturing differences that do occur. The Covishield vaccine, as we know, is manufactured here in the Serum Institute of India. The Vaxzevria, which is the vaccine, the AstraZeneca vaccine, which is being manufactured in the UK and EU sites, which is essentially the same AstraZeneca Oxford vaccine, which is in supply in the EU. The EMA has told NDTV that there could be some manufacturing differences. So that's as far as the science behind it is concerned. Furthermore, the EMA has clarified that they only approve vaccines that have submitted an application for approval. They do not take suo motu cognizance of vaccines that are in supply elsewhere in the world and automatically grant them approval. So they have essentially said that only the Vaxzevria, which is the vaccine that is being made in the UK and other sites in the EU, applied for approval in the EU and therefore has been given this approval. The Covishield vaccine being manufactured by the Serum Institute of India did not apply for approval in the EU and therefore hasn't made it to the green list. Now, this is a very significant development because it essentially puts the ball in the court of the vaccine manufacturer. We know Adar Poonawalla already took to Twitter saying he is escalating this with with diplomatic channels, etc. So essentially what it boils down to, Gargi, and what we are learning from the EMA response is that the vaccine manufacturer, the Serum Institute, needs to apply to the European Medicine Agency for approval in order for Covishield to make it to that list. There are 4 vaccines that are pending on that rolling review list at the moment, and Covishield is not one of them.
All right, so this is very concerning, for Indians looking to travel because, we have the similar problem with the Covaxin currently and waiting for that approval. Do we have any timeline on this, Rishika?
They haven't said anything. The EMA, like I said, on their website also has a list currently of just 4 vaccines that have a rolling review, which are pending approval. The Chinese vaccine, the Sputnik vaccine is actually among one of them. Novavax is one of those vaccines, but not Covishield. So what the EMA has told NDTV is that the moment we receive an approval from Covishield, we will intimate you, but so far the EMA says they haven't received any approval request from the vaccine manufacturer and therefore no timeline really can be ascertained at the moment.